Hola Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, simplihan lang natin. I am sharing with you another Maria Tries episode. So basically, I am trying this collaboration ng BT21 with PENSHOPPE, and of course, bilang isang BTS ARMY, napabili ang lola nyo ng ilang mga items. So if you're interested to know what are the things that I purchased with the PENSHOPPE and BT21 collaboration, then please keep on watching. Maria, 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 Maria. Yes guys, so bumili ako ng ilang items from PENSHOPPE itself and from Lazada, and meron din akong parating from Shopee kasi I will be gifting it to some of my niece. But eto yung dumating kanina. Ito yung package ng PENSHOPPE na meron silang labeling. So, later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking pinaka-first impression. But right now, I'm just gonna share with you kung ano yung tingin ko dito sa mga products na to when it comes to their prices and also the quality. So, meron akong 4 t-shirts or shirts or tee. Tatlo lang pala. So, I have this in size large. So, you'll have a better understanding also kung ano yung mga sizing nila. I have this in size medium, and this in extra large. So, itong extra large nila, hindi siya female size or hindi siya women fit. Kasi talagang straight lang siya. Ayun o, so pwede siyang panglalaki. So, ang laki talaga nung pagiging XL niya. So, inisip ko parang may korte, ganun. Pero wala. Ayan yung itsura niya. Maganda rin yung tela niya. If you're gonna ask me for rating, siguro 7.5. Kasi sa akin, 10 yung galing talaga sa BTS shop or sa Weavers, because I have that jacket. Kung nanood nyo, or napanood nyo na yung aking BTS pop-up store na video, makikita nyo doon I purchased a sweater as well as a shirt. So, alam ko yung quality nung galing talaga sa Weavers at saka sa BTS or BT21 BTS shop. So, this one is still a good quality. So, I'm giving it 7.5 or 8. Bale, 8, no? Kasi maganda yung quality ng mga t-shirt or tee sa PENSHOPPE. So, ang ganda lang nung kanilang, meron kang matatagong ganito. Kasi ang cute, parang souvenir. Siyempre, kung ikaw ay fanatic talaga, ARMY, itatabi mo tong mga ganitong eksena, kasama tong mga to. So, meron talaga siyang official logo. I'm not really a reviewer ng mga t-shirt. Just sharing with you yung mga napansin ko. And, yun lang. So, meron naman siyang care instructions. I think. Kasi yun yung isa sa mga bagay na meron doon sa t-shirts ng BT21 or Weavers. Yeah, meron naman siyang care instructions. So, of course, reverse siya paglalabahan nyo. And, ang ganda. Super ganda nung print. As in, parang sticker na hindi ko maintindihan. Ang ganda talaga nung print niya. Parang nakatakot labahan. Hand wash nyo na lang to as much as possible. Total puti din naman siya. So, that is the XL in white. These are the 3 of, hindi naman 3, actually pare-pareho yung print nitong dalawa. Hindi ko kasi masyadong bet yung maliit. Gusto ko, kung ARMY ka, the bigger the better, diba? So this is their medium size. I like this one, yung may universe star. Parang bagay na bagay dun sa universe na, may universe na kanta ng Coldplay with BTS. Ito yung kanilang medium. This is actually perfect size for me kung gusto ko siyang naka-short or naka-coat ako sa ibabaw or cardigan or as is lang. Sobrang saktong-sakto to sa akin. Super parang contouring yung dating niya, parang body hugging yung shape ng t-shirt na to sa katawan ko pag medium. Ayan yung itsura niya. And if gusto ko naman nung straight fit na talagang saktong-sakto lang sa akin, I am size large. So, ito yung kanilang large. Same print lang nito nung isa. Pero, ang likod nito is PENSHOPPE. So, ang difference pala, may BT21 to, parang blue-green. Ito ay, wala, regular lang yung print nito. Pero parang pareho lang yung itsura ng print nila. May BT21 lang tong black. And meron siyang PENSHOPPE sa likod. Unlike yung isa, Universe Star. So, ayan, this is large. This is true to my size. My bosom or my chest is 39 to 40, depending on what size of bra I'm wearing. And, yes, kasyang-kasya sa akin. Ayan. So, makikita nyo naman mamaya sa fitting or when worn yung actual na itsura niya sa akin. And ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ito ay men's style. Dalawa yung sweater nila, isang women's and men's. Pero yung women, hindi ko masyadong gusto kasi dito lang siya, matipid lang. Insert ko yung picture niya dito. Tapos may white lang siya na print dito. Pero ito, kung bibili ka tarali ng tigwa 1,000 pesos. Yung shirts nga pala, 599 lahat yon. If I'm not mistaken, 599 sila lahat. Oo, 599 ang isa. And then, ito, 1,000 pesos. 1,000... Hindi nakalagay. Ito. 1,399. Pero parang 1,199 ko lang yata ito nakuha. Parang may sale pa yata sila. Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang ganda. Of course, nakalagay dito, flip me. Kapag lalabahan nyo sila, lahat na may ganitong print, pabalik ta rin nyo and follow the instructions, ng wash instruction. Kung sinabing cold water lang yung gagamitin nyo. Huwag kayong magwa-warm. Mga ganong tipos. So, ayan, ang ganda ng print niya, Universe Star, parang yung t-shirt na purple kanina. Of course, I purple you. And tignan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yung logo niya sa likod. Diba? It is very similar to this one. Pero iba yung kulay. Kita nyo ba? So, similar lang din sila. Pero gustong-gusto ko yung print na to. Sobrang laki. Pag sinuot ko siya, pakikita nyo mamaya, sobrang kitang-kita siya sa malayo. So, parang casual-casual lang tayo dito. Ganyan. Tapos dito, boom. BT21, diba? So, this is medium in men's size. I could have chosen small kasi sobrang laki nito. Ayan. So, talagang parang oversized siya kasi nga men's size yung, or men's style yung kinuha ko. Siguro kung women's, medium sakto lang sa akin. So, yun lang yung aking review about this product. It's really good quality. Medyo malapit to. Siguro parang 8 out of 10 din to. Kasi yung aking BTS pop-up store na sweater, it cost me 6,000 pesos. This is 1,000 pesos. Of course, for the amount that you paid for, you're still supporting BTS. You're still supporting Friends Line or BT21. But you are actually paying lesser with this one compared to Korea brands of merchandise. So, if you're looking for affordable merchandises of BT21, then i-check out nyo na yung PENSHOPPE store sa Lazada, Shopee, and also sa kanilang direct website to know more about the prices and the options. Meron din silang mga perfume, slip-ons, and bag, I think, and bucket hat. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you on my next video. And please proceed with my first impression and when-worn video. Hey guys, right now we will be opening the package that I got from PENSHOPPE and Lazada. So George and I just got up. Sorry, our bed is still messy. But we're so excited to open this package, or these two packages. One is from PENSHOPPE directly, one from Lazada. So are you excited to open it, Georgina?
Yes.
Yes. Where is our scissors? There you go. So, let's start with the t-shirt I bought from Lazada. So, I saw that they launched BT21 collaboration, PENSHOPPE and BT21 collaboration recently in TikTok. Yes. So, I got 3 sizes of 3 different prints. So, I have this black in large, this purple in medium, and the white one in XL. Because I really don't know what size I will have. Are you excited?
Yes.
So let's start with the white one in XL. Because it says there that it's not true to its size. It's a little bigger than its true size. Oh, wow. They're so sticker type print. I don't know how long it will last. So this is large. And XL, I'm sorry. XL is a little... Oh, it fits me well. XL is just right for me, I think. There. I will do fitting later on. Let's open medium.
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 Yes.
Who is this? I got medium. And it's a little small. I think large is my perfect size. And this one is large. The black one is in large. Yes, I think large is my perfect size. So I will show you fitting, or I don't know how I'm supposed to say it, like when worn. Yes, when worn. And this one is the jacket. Do you like it, George? This is directly from the website of PENSHOPPE because they don't have the sweater both in Lazada and Shopee. They also have in Shopee, but there's very less. Okay, so I got medium. I hope it fits because this is men's size. Charan. I think it's big. Whoa! Medium is big, but I think it's just good size for me. This is medium. I so love it. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it on. Let's do it. What is this? This is large. Not good.
Let me see. Ooh.
This is large. Nana is only medium.
Medium.
I think so.
Ooh.
Show now. Nana is showing there.
Let's fit your dress.
This is XL.
And
Yeah. So it's too big.
that's too big. Ooh.
Oh wow.
I like it.
Call me la, listen. Oh, another attitude.
Choo-choo. Dan, do, do, do. Nanay, why is this jacket?
Nice.
Yes. Wow. I like it.
I like it too.
Wow.
This is medium. Nana is medium. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Kilometro lang. Like it?